How to do business taxes on TurboTax. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to do business taxes in TurboTax. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you can go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in turbotax.com/business. When you do that, you'll need to purchase TurboTax business software, which is tailored for business tax filing. You have to make sure you select the correct version based on your business structure. Then you can collect all relevant financial documents, including income statement, expense receipt, and any other document related to your business financials. This may include 199 forms, W-2 forms for employee, and other tax related documents as well. Once done, you need to install the TurboTax business software on your computer and launch the program. Then you can follow the prompt to create a new tax return for your business. You'll be asked to enter basic information about your business, such as name, address, and all that. After that, enter all the sources of business income into TurboTax, including services and other sources. You'll need to provide detailed information about each source of income. Then you can deduct business expenses, claim business tax credit. Then you can review and file your return. Once you've done that, if your business owes taxes, then TurboTax will help you calculate the amount owed and provide instructions for making payment to IRS or state tax authorities as well. Now you can go ahead and keep the record or copy of your tax return and all supporting documents for your record. So that's how you can do business taxes on TurboTax. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.